Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by connecting your console cable and launching a terminal at 9600, 8N1. This gives direct access to the Switch console. Once connected, log in with admin credentials so you can save changes later. Make sure you have a clear VLAN and management IP plan because you will assign an SVI and management gateway in the next step. Also verify your PC IP is on the same subnet or set to DHCP temporarily, so you can test network reachability immediately. You now enter global configuration to set a meaningful host name, disable unused services, and configure a strong enable secret. These protect the device. Next, create VLAN and map physical ports. Assign ports to VLAN in access mode or configure trunks with allowed VLAN lists. Then create the SVI, assign the management IP, and set the default gateway so the switch can reach remote networks. Finally, enable SSH, generate keys, and tighten VTY access so management is secure and testable. You finish by saving your running config to startup config so changes persist after reboot. Then verify with show running config and show VLAN to confirm assignments. Make sure to test connectivity. Ping the default gateway, reach devices in each VLAN, and validate trunk links negotiate allowed VLAN. If something fails, first check physical cabling and port LEDs. Next, inspect VLAN membership and native VLAN mismatches. And finally, review access lists and port security. These are common culprits and often resolve.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.